You didn't think I was going to wash this one, did you? Hey, once you think you have your chamois done, you can go ahead and open up the doors and actually do the insides too with your damp chamois.
Yeah, you can.
It's a quick, easy way to keep the insides clean too. How many times have you gotten the windex out and paper towels and tried to do all the inside of your windows? It's just a real pain. Not anymore. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.
Yes, sir.
Let's get something to eat.
Let's do it. Pull your car in, sir.
I think I tired him out.